MyHein is a personal research tool for Hein Online users. We regularly enhance the MyHein platform with new features to improve user organization and efficiency. With MyHein, users can now not only see, but manage and organize their search history. To see this feature in action, first log into your MyHein account. Then perform a search in any database or across all databases. Here, we performed a search for civil rights across all databases and filtered the search by the topic of gender. Return to your MyHein account to see that your recent search has been added under the Search History tab. The entry takes into account any faceting that was used in the search. In this example, we can expand the plus sign to see that this search was filtered by the topic of gender. A number of options exist for managing and organizing the entries within this tab. Check the boxes next to multiple entries to perform bulk actions, such as deleting or sending them to a specific email address. Use the icons within a specific entry to perform unique options for that entry. The bookmark icon allows users to tag and save the search so that it appears within your saved search queries. The delete icon is available to delete the entry, and the plus icon allows users to create contextual notes or reminders about that specific search. If you decide you'd like to disable your search history for any reason, that option is displayed prominently above the list of entries.